Hi everyone, and welcome back to Junk Journal January 2024. Now today is prompt 28, Grungy. When I saw that prompt, I realised I've got some printables in my Etsy store. I'll link them below if anyone's interested, and this is the one I chose. So there's a whole range of things like tags and stuff like that. So I've chosen this one. And these were all made on a jelly plate. So I was having a lovely time playing on the jelly plate, making all sorts of grungy designs. So they're really good for backgrounds and for tags and to tear up for collage. So I found a little bit of, it's like a file folder card, and I decided I would put my grungy paper on this tag so it makes it a lot sturdier. I like the idea of using the tab as a little area to punch. This is where it will go. Now I was thinking about how to grunge this up. Just gonna make everything a little bit bordered. So grungy means dirty, so I don't know about that, but I thought I'd like to use some of this to start to add some layers on top of it. The parchment from the other day. I've also got this background. We'll utilise that. And I've got a bit of this wrapping paper. Fabulous. This wrapping paper is just so good for so many things. Definitely get a good grungy feel with this for sure. In fact, I might just do a little bit of a rub over the top for a bit of grunginess. Just moving them around a little bit to see. I think I like that just like that, and I really like it there on that side, so I'm going to go ahead and stick that down. And just this last one over the top. I like the fact that even though this is from one of my prints, from my virus series, it really looks, it's a very enlarged version or a microscopic version of blood flowing through a vein. But it does look grungy, doesn't it? It actually works quite well. I'm liking building up some layers. Trying to, I really liked this, so I feel it's a bit bare, and I'm just trying to work up the composition so there's just a little bit more interest. Kind of just like that as it is. Don't know that I need this. A lot of the card and the parchment is sticking up a little bit, so I will help it. so I'm just going to put a few little staples. And that, to me, has felt like it's grunged it up even more. I'm loving the staples on this. Now it can stay simple like that. More staples. Doesn't reach. Just want a little something added to it, just to really help it tie in with the rest of the book a bit. Now to me, back in my angsty grungy days, as you saw with the journal the other day, I did a lot of biro scribbling around the edges and things. So I'm just actually going to do a little bit of that. Bringing that biro in. Just creates a bit more of a art piece, I guess. Let's face it, all our junk journals are different. I've got a little bit of another colour, and I'm wondering if I might just add a bit of, just a little bit of this tag. As well, really pulling that red back with a bit of orange. It's almost identical, but harmonious, even though it's meant to be a grungy tag. Another staple and another scribble around the outside. I could do this for hours, to be honest. Love it. And I think I might know a place that this is going to go. It's going to come in behind here if it fits. It's just going to fit. Might just have to take down the sides a little bit, and we'll just check the length as well. Oh, perfect. And I love that sticking out the top there. Oh well, that's beautiful. Okay, so this is my grungy day 28. I hope you got some inspiration from that. Thanks. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.